The Army activities at Redstone make sure that the soldier is ready to fight in defense of freedom, ready with the weapons that today's technology makes possible and demands. The Army's big job at Redstone is weapons system management, directing the entire operation from beginning to end. From first design through supporting operational missiles in service with Army units throughout the world. The term missile system is no misnomer. The Army team at Redstone knows there is a lot more to a missile system than the missile itself. Electrical power, communications, test and checkout gear, vehicles to move the equipment. Everything it takes to get the missile on site, ready to go. That's what the Army means when it talks about a missile system. Missile systems are not manufactured at Redstone. For that job, the Army has traditionally turned to American industry. It's big business, one that annually involves more than $1 billion of your tax dollars. More than 90 cents of every Army missile dollar goes to American industry and business. The work goes on across the length and breadth of the United States and supports thousands of jobs. The military-civilian team at Redstone manages the efforts of its industrial partners. When millions of dollars are wagered on the correctness of a technical approach, it's just good sense to have people who know what they're talking about overseeing the operation for the Army. Redstone Arsenal must see to it that the Army buys well when it buys missiles. The Army, like the housewife, shops for quality at low cost. Missiles are designed to be fired just once. They must function perfectly the first time. A soldier in combat has no time to be impressed with gadgets and fancy frills, and by eliminating them, the Army saves money while improving weapon effectiveness. Long before a weapon goes into production, however, other members of the Redstone Arsenal Army team have had their say. For people engaged in research and development, today's work is concerned with tomorrow's weapons. This new structure, the Francis J. McMorrow Missile Laboratories, provides one of the finest facilities in the nation for the vital job of missile research and development. In the missile business, as in anything else, those who are content with today's technology are standing still. Here is where people really pay off. People with know-how. People charged with responsibility for developing new techniques, new components, everything it takes to ensure that our soldiers have the best and only the best. This technical competence at Redstone allows the Army to assist its industrial partners in missile development and provides a built-in government capability to better evaluate and direct a contractor's technical work. People like these at Redstone were responsible for major technical breakthroughs. An easily handled solid fuel rocket propellant, now used in almost all military missiles. In nose cone design, to enable the missile warhead to survive a fiery plunge back into the Earth's atmosphere. In self-contained guidance systems to direct missiles unerringly to their targets.